Hi, my name is Blanca. I'm going to show you guys how to do this cute ponytail bang situation. Very cute, very simple. Let's get to it. My hair is a mess. I blow it out, and this is what happens lately in the summer. I used to be able to tame it and it would be able to stay down, but lately, I would say the past year, I cannot keep my hair down no matter what I do because it's naturally curly, but the humidity, I don't know if it's just getting hotter in New York City or what. My hair no longer lasts. So we're gonna do a ponytail today. We're gonna attempt to do a ponytail today. All right, first I sectioned my bang part and I just went based off the shortest part of my bangs so that it's not too long, because I kind of want to just to like lay right there. So that's what I'm doing for this. I truly hope this works. I haven't did this hairstyle in a very long time, so I hope I still remember how to do this. All right, now I'm gonna just brush like crazy. All the way up. And then I'm gonna use this baby to get all the bumps, the noños. I don't know what else. I know a lot of people call it different things, but I grew up calling it noños. So that there's no bumps. And this part is tedious because you gotta keep on doing it until you're 100% sure there's no bumps past where your hand is. So I always like to brush past my hand. And then you know for sure the bumps are not gonna be in the ponytail. Having any old hair conditioning treatment, this could be regular hair conditioner too. I'll put this on my hair, and this is just to help have a coat, kind of like a primer for your hair, because I'm going to have to put on hairspray, and hairspray, if you don't know, is actually very bad for your hair. So this is kind of like my idea of priming the hair so that there's something a little over it. It's not going like directly soaking into your hair type of thing. Since I got into a fight with the crazy neighbor downstairs and she pulled out my front hair, I've been noticing that it's just getting worse. I don't know what happened there. Like, it just never grew back after she ripped it out. That's a whole nother story time, but I gotta like figure out how to get my hair back because I miss it. Still feel like there's bumps. This part is gonna be the longest part of this whole hair tutorial. I'm gonna grab hairspray. Just spray that. I bumped my head when I was a kid. Well, not really bumped my head, I fell. I was like very sporty, tomboyish, and I would fall all the time and do crazy things. And I bumped my head on both sides, so now I have like these two bumps, but my hair covers it, but I feel it. So every time I do a ponytail, it's always extra hard to get it perfect because of the two bumps on my head, and they're literally positioned like right where there's horns, like right where there would be horns. That's where my bumps are. It's hilarious. I could never be bald because if I was, I'd probably look absolutely insane. Okay, now I'm just gonna make sure that everything's in the middle, which it is. Feeling for any bumps, kind of feel something. So a little trick with a brush like this or a comb like this, for any bumps that you have in your hair, you just go in, pull up, in, pull up, in, pull up. And this will make it a lot less noticeable from when you're just brushing up and you get bumps up here. You won't get that when you do it that way. I'm just gonna take a piece of my ponytail like that, and I'm gonna take the rest of that piece and I'm gonna start pulling this back. This is gonna help make my ponytail a lot more bigger. Just do this very little on this side. Now I'm gonna start working on my bangs, and then we're gonna go into the bottom of the hair. But for now, because my hair is so frizzy, I'm just gonna re-blow it. I am using the DP Hue ACV shampoo powder, and I'm just gonna actually, normally I put it on my hand first, but I don't think I need to. I don't think this is the case. This is just gonna volumize. The only thing I can't stand with this powder is that it's super white, so it takes a lot to rub it out. I'm just gonna go inside. And mix it in there. Okay, now I'm gonna just grab a roller. Clip that in. Alright, I'm just gonna split little sections of my hair. And I'm gonna curl the bottom. And I'm not gonna keep it on for long, but I keep a little bit curl like that until I do the next one, and then I let it go. Next, and I do one roll this way, and then the next one I do is roll the opposite way. And I don't keep them on long. I want light, flowy curl. Now that I have my makeup on, I'm going to work on my bangs. And for this, we definitely want to tease a little bit. So I'm going to tease on this side. This is always the hardest part for me. I can never, like, it'll take me a million tries to get this done. Really, that's it. Now I just put on my earrings. And I'm ready to go. I hope you guys like this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you hopefully next week.